Hello everyone. Today we will take a look at DIY proof of concept project IndusBoard standalone IoT LiDAR, which is published on electronicsforyou.com. Link to the project is in the description of this video. Usually, LiDAR systems need a lot of complicated wiring, which isn't great for fast testing and building. Today, we are going to show you a new solution, a Wi-Fi LiDAR that works on its own. This device scans and transmits data in real time without the need for any wiring. In this project, we've integrated the IndusBoard with a LiDAR unit. This setup can scan the area, generate data, and live maps that show on a web page, all without wires. So how does it work? Let's take a look. This is a prototype. On powering up the circuit, you can see the LiDAR is rotating. On the mobile phone, you can see the plot of the same wirelessly over a web page. This is the perfect project for people who like to build and create things with technology. It's also an excellent project for professionals or students who can integrate and program the LiDAR and Wi-Fi components as per their project requirements. It combines using both hardware and software, which makes it a cool challenge for those who enjoy working with advanced technology. But how to make this? You can make this with very few components. Let's take a look. The IndusBoard is a small development board that manages all the main tasks like processing and talking to other parts. It integrates all the components and handles data processing and wireless communication. The 360-degree YDX2 LiDAR can look all around and measure up to 8 meters. It gathers spatial data needed for mapping and monitoring applications. 3.3V voltage regulator that steps down the 5V battery output to 3.3V required by certain parts of the circuit. 5V battery that acts as a portable power source for the system. To assemble the circuit, follow the circuit diagram. Arrange all the components including IndusBoard, LiDAR, voltage regulator and battery. Now use jumper wires to connect these components following the circuit diagram. Once the circuit is assembled, we should upload the code on the IndusBoard. This is our code. First, install the libraries required to run a LiDAR module with IndusBoard. Over here, define your network credentials, that is Wi-Fi SSID and password to connect IndusBoard to your Wi-Fi network. Define your LiDAR model here. These variables are declared to hold angle and distance data. This is the HTML code for hosting the web server. In the setup function, send a GET request to send data on the web server. Send the LiDAR data as a JSON string onto the server. Begin the web server. Now initialize the LiDAR and read data from the LiDAR. Select the correct board and port and upload the code to the IndusBoard. To test the circuit, turn on the power supply. You can see the LiDAR rotating and scanning the environment. Voila, it works. What did you learn? How to integrate various hardware components including LiDAR. How to set up and manage wireless communications via Wi-Fi. Understand the processing and handling of real-time data from the LiDAR. Learn to create user-friendly web interfaces that display real-time data. Interested in developing your own standalone IoT LiDAR? Kindly click on the link provided in the description of this video. Do like, share and subscribe to our channel for more such DIY proof of concept videos. Thank you.